Okay, everybody, it's Mr. Pete, and we're going to learn a new song today. This is a song by Bob Marley, and it's a fun one. It's called Three Little Birds, and the fun part starts right at the beginning. I'm going to teach you how that goes. You get to whistle. Here's the part. Okay, here's the first verse, and it's the fun part about this song is the first verse is the only verse that there is, and there's a verse and a chorus. Very simple. Here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Every little thing are gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. That's it. Hanging on fire by the thing. 'Cause every little thing are gonna be alright. Hanging on fire by the thing. 'Cause every little thing are gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing on fire by the thing. 'Cause every little thing are gonna be alright. Hanging on the fire by the thing. 'Cause every little thing are gonna be alright. There you go. Bob Marley, Three Little Birds. Very easy song. Fun song, too. It's a happy song. All right. I'm going to come up with another song, and I'll be posting it shortly.